guys, welcome to Made by Nale. I'm in a boiler seat. I'm in a boiler seat. I'm currently working with Guild Care. If you guys don't know, get to know. This is the charity and they've kindly sponsored me or gifted me with a couple of pieces to upcycle. So that might also be a playlist on my YouTube channel. I really like this jumpsuit. Like, it's super cute. I love the colour and everything. I'm torn in between turning this into a trench coat or turning this into like a dress or just completely totally upcycle it. We'll see what to do with it. So I decided to completely totally upcycle it. I don't know why I said that, but I grabbed my scissors and literally cut, guys. You guys know the vibes by this time. And I just decided to do a play suit because I thought it was easier. And if we're donating it to charity, I feel like a play suit would appeal to a lot more people. And summer is around the corner. So this is literally how I did it. So easy, just cut off the ends. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do with this in next week's video. So I just tossed that to the side. But guys, I'm going to show you how to make a bag out of those legs. And I now just folded it, and that was literally it. Such a super easy upcycle. I don't really know what I'm gonna caption this video because I feel like it's so easy. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, for tuning in, and see you guys next week for the bag transformation. I need to start making longer videos, but yeah, we'll get there soon. Thank you so much, guys, and this is how it looked.